Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you a short ballet choreography for beginners. Demi-point, no point shoes. And as always, I'm going to divide the choreography in different sections so you can take your own time to pause, learn the steps, and then go back and do it right at the end with me, with music. Say that, let's get to it. We are going to begin in classical pose, diagonal on the back, and we are going to do 3 walks forward. And we're going to do 3 classical walks forward. Begin with petit développé. Right and left and right. Demi-plie left leg in 5th position. Arms go from brava, 1st position, 5th position, releve together. We are going to do pas de bourre and tournant, and my legs are going to change, and I end with right leg in front. We are going to move to the center, 5th position, and we are going to do pas de main tendue, croisé, forward. Demi-plie. Pas de main tendue croisé to the back. Demi-plie. We are going to do pas de main tendue to the side. En face. Plie in 2nd position. Pas de main tendue to the side. Demi-plie. Changing to the diagonal left leg in front. Let's do it from the beginning again, a little bit faster this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Classical 1 and 2 and 3. Plie, releve, détourne, go to the center, plie, tendu, plie, change to the back, plie, to the side, en face, demi-plie, tendu, demi-plie, changing to the diagonal. From this demi-plie, we are going to do petit développé with my left leg in releve, changing to the other diagonal. My arms are going to do brava, 1st and 2nd. All together looks like this. 1 and run, run, 5th position, left leg on the back. We are going to do pas de main tendue with left leg to the side. And we are going to have a small inclination of torso towards the leg in tendue. Demi-plie, left leg in front, 5th position, releve. Change, right leg, pas de main tendue, small inclination. Demi-plie, right leg in front, releve. We are going to do détourné. How we do détourné? My left leg is on the back. We are going to rise up to releve, change, left leg on the back, lift a little bit your left leg, and finish the turn. So we take it from the tendu, 2nd tendu, demi-plie, right leg in front, releve, change left leg in front, continue the turn. And we are going to walk, and 2, and 3, and 4, demi-plie in parallel. Let's do it one more time, a little faster then. And we are going to take it from the petit développé, that run. Demi-plie, petit développé, run, 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 plie, with your left leg, plie, releve, with your right leg, plie, releve, détourné, turns, and walk, 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 demi-plie. Torso slightly forward. We're going to roll hips a little bit back, and we are going to do releve. We go pas de bourre to the back, center, classical pose, right leg on the back. We are going to do balance sideways. Demi-plie, balance, balance, 3rd, balance. Petit développé to the side. A step, 1st position, pas de main tendue forward, small bow, up, final pose. Okay, so now we are going to do it all together from the beginning without music, a little bit faster, so you make sure that you remember the sequence of the choreography, and then we are going to do it at the end of the video with music. Let's get to it. Classical pose, 5, 6, 7, 8, and classical walk, and 2, and 3, demi-plie, releve, pas de bourre, center, 5th demi-plie, pas de main tendue, plie, and to the back, plie, to the side, change 2nd, tendu, plie, petit développé, run, run, demi-plié, with your left, relevé, with your right, relevé, détourné, walk, walk, demi-plié, pas de bourrée, 2, 3, classical pose, balance, 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 petit développé, step dandy, small bow, and final pose. If you want to know how I did my ballet band without hairnet, you can click right here, but also you can check down below in the description of this video. I'm gonna leave a ton of link for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So like that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.